I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Songmaker in Chrome Music Lab and selecting a lead voice. This gets you straight into composing. Once done, set the tempo between 140 and 160 to match Bonetrousle's energetic feel and select a scale that fits the melody. Make sure the grid resolution is 1/8 or 1/16 so you can place the short, bouncy notes accurately. Then pick percussion and a synthy lead voice. Now you place the core melody. Input the recognizable motif in a 4-bar loop, then duplicate and vary it to build structure. Use short, staccato notes for the jaunty hop and reserve longer notes at phrase ends so the line breathes. While doing that, add percussion, the kick on beats 1 and 3 and a snare or clap on 2 and 4 to lock in the groove. Make sure to nudge any off-grid hits. Tiny timing tweaks give the pattern human energy. Finish by balancing levels. Raise the lead so the melody cuts through and lower percussion slightly for clarity. Once the arrangement flows, repeat, vary, and listen from start to finish. Apply small timing or pitch tweaks to tighten phrases. When satisfied, export as WAV or MP3 or copy the share link to save your work. If something breaks, reload the page and immediately restore the last exported copy. If the grid won't play, clear cache or try another browser. Those fixes resolve most playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.